Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to open an LLC and EIN online by using Tailor Brands. Before we get started, feel free to check out Tailor Brands by clicking the link in the description below. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an LLC? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a unique type of business entity that blends features of a corporation with those of a partnership or sole proprietorship. The main goal of an LLC is to protect its owners, called members, from personal liability for the company's debts and obligations. Keep in mind that LLC rules and regulations vary by state, and almost anyone can be a member, except for banks and insurance companies, which have special restrictions. Now, let's walk through the key steps to starting an LLC. The first step in filing for an LLC is choosing a name for your business. Your LLC's name is how it will be identified by customers and the government, so it's important to select a name that represents your brand and is unique to help you stand out in the market. You'll need to check if your preferred name is available by searching the online database of your state's Secretary of State's office where you intend to register your LLC. If your preferred name is unavailable, we'll automatically proceed with your alternative choice to avoid delays. Note that name availability also depends on the industry of your business. The next step is to choose a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is an individual or business entity available during business hours to handle formal documents like legal notices and tax forms. This is a crucial decision because the registered agent will be responsible for receiving and forwarding important documents. Tailor Brands offer registered agent services to ensure your business stays compliant with state requirements. However, if you prefer to choose your own registered agent, they must have a physical street address in the state where you're forming the LLC, and their address will be part of the public record. The third step is determining if you need an Employer Identification Number, EIN, a federal business tax ID that functions like a social security number for your business. If you plan to hire employees or are taxed as a corporation, partnership, or multi-member LLC, you'll need an EIN. If you have a social security number, we can help you obtain an EIN online. Otherwise, we'll provide IRS Form SS4 and instructions for filing. Next, you'll need to add information about the owners of the LLC. Be sure to include the full name, address, and percentage of ownership for each owner, including yourself, even if you've already provided this information. Owners can be individuals or business entities. You'll also need to provide a business address, the physical location where official correspondence and legal documents can be sent. A PO box is not acceptable as it's not a physical location. Make sure the address is accurate, as it might be part of the public record. You can use a home address if necessary, and in Delaware or Wyoming, an international address can be used. The purpose of your business should be a general statement describing the overall activities of your LLC. This doesn't need to be detailed, but should reflect the type of business you plan to operate. Be sure to avoid providing a vague purpose, as this can lead to misunderstandings. Once your LLC is formed, it's important to stay compliant with state requirements, including filing annual reports and maintaining records. Enrolling in an annual compliance subscription can help ensure you meet these requirements. This can save you time and prevent the risks of non-compliance. Although not required in all states, having an operating agreement is highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the LLC's daily operations, as well as what happens if conflicts arise or a member leaves the business. It can also detail member contributions and duties. Once completed, the agreement should be added to your LLC's records for safekeeping. If you want to get your LLC up and running quickly, consider expedited processing. This means it'll make efforts to submit your LLC application to the state within 48 hours, although state processing times may vary. That's how you can obtain an LLC and EIN through Tailor Brands. Don't forget to follow along using the link provided in the description below.